Hi, my name is Dr. Gina McCrae. I'm a general dentist in Mechanicsville, Maryland. I've been in practice over 30 years, and I started out in Baltimore City in a very wonderful practice. However, I realized after a couple of years that the city was not for me. But when this practice became available from Dr. Wagner, I came down and I fell in love with the people and the area, and ever since I haven't looked back. I have a great family. As you know, my daughters practice with me, and we do a lot of activities together. We even go boating together, we jet ski together, church together. Every Sunday we have family dinner together, and I can't say enough about how important family is to me. When I was 12 years old, I knew that I wanted to go into dentistry. My teeth were really crowded. I had some tetracycline stain, and I went to the orthodontist, got that fixed, and my teeth were whitened, and it really transformed how I felt about myself. And one of the things I love the most about being able to take care of patients is that it's transformative for them. Your smile and your eyes are so much of who you are, and to transform somebody's smile and help them to feel better about themselves and have better self-esteem is just very heartwarming for me. My staff is just awesome. We're very blessed because we've worked together a long time. They know how important it is for us to deliver over-the-top care for our patients each and every day, and they make coming to work such a pleasure. Dr. Kara Deemer is my daughter, and her twin sister Audrey Kimmel is one of our hygienists and our CFO at the practice. It is amazing to work with your daughters. They're excellent clinicians. They practice very similar to me. They've grown in this practice since they were 4 years old, and they've loved dentistry since they were little, never focused on them going either way, but they just naturally fell into loving dentistry from a very early age.
Because we're so similar, our patients feel at ease with both of us, and it has always been a wonderful working relationship that we share together and with our patients. This practice is very unique. Not only is it run by my mother and my sister and I, but it's a practice full of women. We have a gentle touch. We are very detail-oriented, and we go above and beyond to exceed your expectations. If we haven't done that every time, we're not doing it right.
From the second they get in the door, many patients have said they felt like family, and that's really important to us. We want everybody to feel like they are family.
We give you control over your appointment, so at any point if you need a break or you feel any discomfort, you raise your hand and we stop right away. We're not going to continue to work unless you're comfortable. We try to give you the same TLC that we like when we're sitting in the chair getting dentistry done as well.
What makes St. Mary's Dental different from any other practice is really that we focus on the care of the patient as a whole. We focus on their dental needs as well as their medical needs. Each patient that comes through the door gets a thorough, comprehensive new patient exam, and the new patient exam will include intraoral and extraoral photos, so pictures that are inside of the mouth and outside of the mouth, as well as a very thorough oral cancer screening and various charting to let us know and the patient know the status of their mouth as a whole. And that gives us a whole picture of exactly what's going on and how we can proceed with your treatment.
I can't imagine doing something differently. I will choose dentistry every time. To have the impact on somebody's life that it can have, and to have someone jump out of the chair and basically tackle you to the ground because they're so happy with their smile. What kind of profession can you do that? You can't find it anywhere else.
There's nothing else that I'd rather do than to do dentistry. What other profession can you combine your artistic skills and your science skills into a profession where you can transform people's lives? Helping them to have the smile that they've always dreamed of, it's an amazing feeling, and there's nothing that can ever replace that feeling. It's pretty awesome.